What happens when your business outgrows your financial systems? There's a moment where every seasoned CEO hits where they think, I know how to grow this business, so why does it suddenly feel harder to lead it? Hi, I'm Michelle Mitchell. I'm the CEO and founder here at Mitchell Consulting. We're a small accounting firm where we help founders and CEOs bridge the gap between their passion and their profit. So your business is not chaotic. It's not broken. It just seems heavier than it used to be. Like there's just more to it. And for most CEOs, the real issue isn't leadership or discipline. It's that their financial systems are still built for the older version of them. Here's what I see all the time with established business owners. You've already proven you can build your business. You've already figured out how to sell. You've already made hard decisions that got you here. But now, decisions take longer, you hesitate more, and you feel oddly disconnected from the business you've created. That gap is subtle and dangerous because it doesn't look like failure. It looks like I should be able to handle this. But quietly, you question yourself. When you're in your operator era versus being in your CEO era of leadership, most financial systems are built for operators. They answer questions like, did we make money? Are the books reconciled? Did we stay within budget? But CEOs need answers to different questions. What's sustainable without me? Where am I still the bottleneck? What decisions can I safely delegate? When your systems can't answer those questions, leadership starts to feel lonely and heavy. This is where many CEOs misread themselves. They think, I'm too controlling. I can't let go. I just need to trust my team more. But what's actually happening is this. You're being asked to let go without reliable signals. And when leaders don't trust the data, they compensate with involvement. That's not a mindset flaw. That's a systems mismatch. Here's the part that most people don't talk about. Delegation doesn't fail because you don't trust your team. It fails because you don't trust the feedback loop that you've created. If you can't clearly see what's working, what's slipping, what needs more attention before it becomes a problem, then delegation feels risky, even when your team is capable. So you stay close, you double check, you stay in the loop, and suddenly the CEO role feels crowded. Now, if you're listening to this and realizing, I don't actually trust the information I'm leading from, I've created a diagnostic resource for you to help you assess that. I'll share it with you at the end of the video. But by the way, now's a good time to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so that more founders like you can find it. So what does CEO level financial support actually look like? At this stage, financial systems don't just report history. They surface patterns. They reduce noise. They give you early warning signs, not just confirmation after the fact. CEO level clarity doesn't mean more detail. it means better perspective. You should be able to glance at your numbers and know where to focus, where to let go, where not to overthink. Why this moment matters more than most CEOs realize. This stage is where burnout quietly forms. Not because the business is failing, but because leadership is being carried without support. Most CEOs push through this phase. They assume pressure is normal. I felt the same thing too. They delay upgrading systems until the system breaks. But the CEOs who scale and stay grounded, they pause here and they ask better questions. So if you need to ask better questions of your business, now's a good time to pause, especially when it comes to your financials. If you are leading a more complex business with financial systems that were never designed for this version of you, the first step isn't fixing, it's clarity. I want you to watch Is Your QuickBooks Lying to You? It will help you see whether your numbers are actually supporting your leadership or quietly working against it. You'll find the link in the description below. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel for more nuggets on financial clarity, up-leveling your CEO role, delegating, and building a business that can run without you being the bottleneck. So until next time, I'll talk to you soon.